Hello dear students, good morning all the lovely and nice students of class 3. How are you? Hope everybody is fit and fine. So dear student, yesterday you have seen the first part of the chapter 16 Up in the Sky. You have seen first part, right? And in first part we already have completed the explanation of the sun's family and the moon and phases of moon. These 4 paragraphs we already completed in the first video that you have seen yesterday, है ना? So today I am going to complete the chapter in this second part, right? Today I am going to complete the second part in this class, in this video. But before completing the class, once again I am going to take a small recap. Whatever we learnt yesterday, today I am going to recap that thing. Okay. So in chapter number 16 we are going to learn about 2 things. What is solar system, and number 2, what are the different phases of the moon. Right. So in this category, first we discussed in yesterday about the sun, and I told you that the sun is a huge ball of hot gases. It gives us heat and light, and the energy which we are getting from the sun, it is called solar energy, right? And the sun always arise from the east and always set in the west. Okay, sun is much bigger than the earth. Sun is very big star. Sun is not a planet, beta. Sun is not a planet. Keep this thing is in your mind. Sun is a big star. Okay, and sun is very big in size rather than the earth. When we will compare sun and earth, so we can say that sun is bigger in size rather than earth. Earth is about 150 million kilometers away from the sun. So what is the distance between sun and earth? So 150 million kilometers. When you will go in the next classes, then you will learn these things, millions, billions, trillions in maths classes. When you will learn Roman number, then you will learn about millions, billions, trillions, these all things, right? Okay, now sun is the closest star to the earth. This is the highlight. Sun is the closest star. I told you that sun is not a planet, sun is a star, and sun is the closest star to the earth. And the temperature of sun on the surface of sun is about 54,000 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature we have on sun's surface? What is the temperature? 54,000 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature on sun's surface. Okay. Then we discussed about the sun's family. The sun is the head of the big family called solar system. What is the name of the sun's family? Solar system. And sun is the head of the family. Who is head of the family? As like us, in our houses, our grandfather is the head of the family. So as like that, sun is also head of the family in their solar system. Okay, it is at the center of the solar system. So sun is situated in the center of the solar system. Sun is situated in the center of the solar system. So let's see. There are 8 family members in sun's family in solar system. What are those? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And all the right planets revolve around the sun at a fixed path. This thing I explained so many times. That sun is fixed at a place. जो सूरज है वो अपनी जगह पे फिक्स रहता है, and all the planet takes the rounds in their particular fixed path, and that particular fixed path is called orbit. Okay, now the earth is the third planet in the distance from the sun. So earth is located, earth is situated in third place in the distance of sun. जो सूरज से जो दूरी है उस दूरी में जो अर्थ है वो तीसरे नंबर पर आता है, राइट. द सन इज अबाउट 30,000 times 1 stands 100,000 10,000 13 lakhs times bigger than 13,000 times bigger than the earth. This is the biggest thing that we can compare about the sun and the earth. sun है वो जो अर्थ है उससे बहुत बहुत साइज में बड़ा है, ठीक है. Planet do not have their own lights, they reflect light from their up. This thing keep over here, that all the planet they don't have their light, they reflect from sun's light. वो सन की जो रोशनी होती है उससे रिफ्लेक्ट होते हैं, उनकी खुद की कोई रोशनी नहीं होती. सो वी कैन से दैट ओनली सन gives us light in entire solar system, in entire space. We can say that sun is the only star which have light and heat, and all the planets are reflecting with that light only. They don't have their own light, they do not twinkle at, right. Okay, now the moon is the earth's natural satellite. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Just as the earth moves around the sun, earth moves around the sun, earth moves around the sun. Sun is always fixed at a path, and earth is taking the round of the sun, and moon is taking round of the earth, and moon is taking round of the earth. See, this is our earth, this is sun, this is earth, and this is moon. ठीक है, this earth will take the round of sun, and this moon is taking the round of the earth. जो sun की जो sun के आसपास एक फिक्स्ड ऑर्बिट में earth is taking round, and moon is taking round of the earth at a fixed path, right. Okay, now phases of moon. Moon takes about 27.32 days to move around the earth. How much duration moon is taking to complete around? 27.32 days. And earth and moon is taking round to the earth. It changes its shapes every night. Yes, we can say this. We practically have seen that moon always keeps changing their shape every night. Okay. Now, this changing of the shape is called phases of the moon. From the earth, we can see only those parts of the moon that are lit by the sun. As the moon revolves around the earth, its lighted part faces earth also changes. When the moon is between the earth and sun, we do not see it at all. When the moon between earth and sun, अगर जो moon है वो धरती और सूरज, अर्थ और सन के बीच में अगर moon आ जाता है तो we cannot say that. So that day we call it अमावस्या. So that day we call it अमावस्या. Okay, suppose this is moon, this is earth, and this is sun, right. अगर ये जो moon है ये दोनों के बीच में आ जाता है तो उस दिन we are not able to see the moon, and that day we are calling अमावस्या. That day we are calling अमावस्या. In 2 weeks time we see full moons, and after अमावस्या during 2 weeks time we can see the full moon, and that full moon we call Purnima. And Purnima, yes, everybody can see the full moon in the sky at night. Now we will discuss today about the stars. bright twinkle object in the sky are called stars. The bright twinkle, सफेद चमकती हुई चीज तारे होती हैं. Stars huge glowing balls of fire. स्टार क्या होती है? स्टार इज अ ह्यूज, ह्यूज मीन्स बड़ा, बिग, अ बॉल्स ऑफ फायर. द सन इज ऑल्सो अ स्टार. आई टोल्ड यू ना in the starting of the class, I told you that sun is a star, it is not a planet. Okay, stars have light of their own. Stars have their own lights. That is the reason sun has its own light. Moon don't have light. Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, they are the planets. That's why they don't have their own light. But sun is a star, so sun has its own light, and stars which we can see twinkling at night, they also have their own lights. Okay, now they give us light because they are very hot. So why stars are giving us light? Because they are very hot. Why stars are giving light? Because they all are very hot. There are so many stars in universe that we cannot count them at all. Yes, this thing to we already knows that stars are uncountable, which we cannot count in the universe. Stars are uncountable, which we cannot count in universe. And turn the page, take out page number 102. Let's see what is written in the page. About 7,000 stars can be seen from the earth without a telescope. So now this question is raised in your mind. Telescope is the equipment which help us to see the moon, which help us to see the space, which help us to find out some stars in universe. So telescope in Hindi we can say that telescope मतलब दूरबीन है ना. You have heard that famous star's name Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant Singh Rajput was a very very good in science, and he has the modest telescope at their home. He was had a very 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 modest telescope at his house, because he loved to find out the new stars from the universe. That is his passion, that is his hobby. Okay, so telescope is the equipment which help us to find out the new stars in universe, right? The stars do not move. Yes, keep all these things over here, so you will not get confused. You will not ask question to your parent, because everything, sometimes it is happening that earth ke bare mein to we already knows, but that sky, that universe, that space which unseen for us, which we haven't seen, so many questions are coming is in our mind. So many questions, so many type of imaginations are coming, right? So the stars do not move. Earth is moving, moon is moving, all the planets are moving in their fixed path. That path is called orbit, but stars are not moving here and there. Stars are fixed at a place. They are fixed. Many stars are bigger than the sun. Oh my God. Yes, it is also very much corrected in the book. So many stars are very very big rather than the sun. उनका जो size है, that is very big. अब this question is come is in your mind, ma'am. They are to looking very small in the sky. If they are very bigger in size rather than the sun, how is it possible? They are to looking very very small. So the reason is that the stars are very very far from the earth, millions kilometers far from the earth, millions, trillions, billions kilometers far from the earth. हजारों लाखों किलोमीटर की दूरी पर स्टार्स होते हैं. दैट इज द रीजन from earth to sky we can see the stars in very small size, very small in size and shape, very small beta. Okay, but it is very correct that stars are big in size rather than the sun. Okay, they are fixed. They appear small because they are very far away from us. Yes, I already told you before the book. I told you that stars are very far from the earth. That is the reason stars are looking very small from earth to sky, but they are very big in size. Now we will discuss about constellation. Constellation means let's see. Some stars remain in group from pattern in the sky. Have you seen at night that some stars are making a pattern like see, sometimes you have seen that some stars you can see at night they are making a shape, they are making a pattern. So we can say that mummy, sometimes when you are roaming with your parent, so it is happening with you, you can ask some questions is clicking is in your mind, and there only you are asking to your mother, mummy ये देखो ये स्टार की ऐसी लाइन से क्यों बनी हुई है, ये स्टार का ऐसा पैटर्न से क्यों बना हुआ है, होता है ना ऐसा. ये सबके साथ होता है. When I was a small child, it was happening with me also. So some stars in the sky they are making a special pattern. वो एक लाइन में होते हैं, एक सीरीज में होते हैं. They are making a special pattern. Pattern means when you was in nursery. Nursery में pattern होता है, स्लीपिंग लाइन होती है, स्टैंडिंग लाइन होती है, हाफ कर्व होता है, फुल कर्व होता है, तो ये पैटर्न कहलाता है. सो दे आर मेकिंग पैटर्न इन द स्काई. दीज ग्रुप्स ऑफ स्टार्स आर कॉल्ड constellation, right? And these are 88 different constellations. Constellation moves a hole across the sky. Some famous constellations are Saptarishi, Orion, Leo, Scorpio and Great Bear. So समझ में आया, जो भी स्टार्स एक प्रॉपर पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न में होंगे, सपोज वो एक पैटर्न बना रहे होंगे, एक शेप बना रहे होंगे, तो वो प्रॉपर पैटर्न, वो प्रॉपर शेप, वो प्रॉपर पैटर्न, वो प्रॉपर शेप क्या कहलाता है? कॉन्सोलिडेशन, राइट? एंड सम नेम्स ऑफ द कॉन्सोलिडेशंस आर गिवन ओवर हियर इन योर बुक. सप्तऋषि. सप्तऋषि मतलब उसमें जो 7 तारे होते हैं वो एक साथ एक लाइन में होते हैं, लाइक दैट. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड सप्तऋषि. दैट इज कॉल्ड सप्तऋषि. एंड इन योर बुक देयर इज स्कॉर्पियोनो. स्कॉर्पियोनो का पिक्चर दिया है, यूजर मेजर का दिया है, लियो का दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. एंड ग्रेट बियर का पिक्चर इज नॉट गिवन इन योर बुक. So there are 88 different constellations in the sky, in the universe. How much in the number? 88 different constellations are in the universe, which are making a pattern, a shape. Most of the stars are born in pair like twins. These pairs are born within a group of stars known as clusters. So dear students, here we are completing this chapter. I hope this chapter is very small to you, and all the things you already learn in class 2 also, and some about the constellation. This thing is new learning for you, है ना? So I hope you learned all these things, and question, answers and new words I will send you through WhatsApp. Question answer, tick the correct option, name the following, true false, answer the following questions. All these things I will send you through the WhatsApp. मैं आपको WhatsApp पे भेजूंगी, because here I am not going to do all these things, right? Because we are already have our Zoom classes only. So Zoom classes के दौरान भी I will not write anything on the board, because it is personally I feel that it is a wastage of time. Question answers तो you can write after the class only, वो तो आप क्लास के बाद भी लिख सकते हो, right? So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you. All the best for your exam, give your best and try to give your paper with honesty. Read the chapter carefully, do the exercise carefully. Bye bye.